Parisian boutique meets Indian attire. After getting the description, I sketched few of them as you can see on the screen, but the final result was totally different. Let's start with the type tool, typing the logo name. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel. This channel is basically based on logo design. So I have taken a font Libre Baskerville as the client requirement was of uses of any serif font. So here we will be creating a simple logo, but the logo will look simple, but it will show elegancy and modern look on the attire or wherever it is displayed. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. After thinking for a while, I thought of changing one E part as a reflection of the other. So just select the E part, go to transform and reflect and choose vertically and click on OK. So how you open to this logo, comment me. So we will go for the color change now. It will be dark brown as shown on the screen. And yes, sometimes simple logo can change the brand. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.